Hi guys, today we are going to see LeetCode problem number 584, find customer referee. Marked as easy in LeetCode, directly jump to the problem statement, try to understand it and solve it. Now in here we can see they have provided the SQL schema. Click this one, you'll be able to see the SQL script, how to create the table by your own if you are using your own SQL platform, and you can copy this one and create the table on your own SQL platform and try to solve it. They have provided the customer table in here contains these columns and these are the data types. ID is the primary key column for this table. Each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name and the ID of the customer who referred them. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out uh, and report the IDs of the customer that are not referred by the customer with ID equal to 2, and we can return our result in any order. They have also provided an example table, customer table. Let's check this out to understand the problem in a more efficient way. So you can see that they have provided this customer table contains this ID 12345 6. These are the name of the customer and these are the referee ID whom uh, whom referred these customers. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out only uh, IDs of the customer that are not referred by the customer ID equal to 2. Okay. Only those customers who are not referred by ID 2. That means except this row and this row, all other rows will be in our output. Okay, that means 1, 2, ID number 2. That means this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and we'll just return the result. Only we'll just return the IDs of the customers. Okay, let's check the output result. We can see they have provided the names. Okay, okay. So let's say it is very straightforward example. Let's go back to the query writing section and try to build our query. Okay, so we just need the name of the customer. So select name from table customer, where what you need to check, referee ID is not 2. That means you can use this symbol to show is not 2, or referee ID is null. Why I'm writing referee ID is null? Because if we just give only one condition in where clause, that is referee ID not equal to 2, and in that case it is going to show us only one result, that is this one. We'll give only one name, that is Zack. But it can happen that there are few customers which are not referred by anyone, so that also means they are not referred by 2. That's why we need to use referee ID is null. Okay, so I'll run this script code and check is working. Yes, and I can see our code has been accepted. It is running properly. Now there is one more thing we can try. Instead of this symbol not equal to, you can use not equal to as well. This also works. So I'll run this one as well to check it is working or not, and you can see this is also working. Now I'll submit this code to check if it is working against other test cases of this problem or not, and we can see this is running properly. So this is very straightforward problem, totally eligible to win the easy section of an interview. Try to practice it by your own and let me know if you have any doubts or anything. I'll soon come up with another LeetCode problem. Till then, on practicing, and happy coding.